Hello everyone, this is SK. Today I'm going to teach you coordinate geometry for class 10 standard. What is coordinate? Coordinate is a way of defining a point in a space. How do you define? It needs three axes, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So if you say the coordinates of a point is x, y and z, so what is x? X, if you draw a perpendicular from that point on x-axis, the distance of point to that axis is y, whereas the point which you are defining, if you draw a perpendicular on y-axis, the distance from y-axis to that point is x-axis. And if you see the third axis perpendicular to x and y plane, xy plane, the height from that plane defining that z-axis. What we are doing here, we are studying in 2D case only, two-dimensional case. We will find distance between 2 points. Let us see here. In this diagram you see, we are defining here 2 points A and B. A is having coordinates x1, y1, whereas B is having coordinates x2, y2. So x1, y1 is distance from both the axes. X is the distance from y-axis, whereas the y is distance from x-axis. So x1, what is that? For A, you draw a perpendicular from A on x-axis. So the OL distance is x1 and AL is y1. So, and similarly from B, if you draw a perpendicular on x-axis, BM is what? Y2 parallel to Y, and OM is X2. So here in this triangle you see ABN. This is right angle triangle. Angle ANB is 90 degree. Oh, now you find here. AN is what? AN is OM minus OL, that is X2 minus X1, whereas BN is what? BM minus Bm minus Nm. Nm is equal to Al. So that is y2 minus y1. Here in this triangle ABN, ABN is a right angle triangle. So from Pythagoras theorem, you can find out this hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So AB square is equal to AN square plus BN square. AN square is nothing but x2 minus x1 whole square, the difference in x coordinates, and Bn is difference in y coordinates, so y2 minus y1 whole square. AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So AB is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and this is very important formula for finding out a distance between 2 points. You must remember it. Now if you want to find out distance from origin for a given point, so the coordinate of A is xy and the coordinate of origin is always it is 0 0. Origin is nothing but a datum. From that only we find out the coordinates of other points. So origin is always 0 0. Now you apply the formula what we have learned just now. The distance between the origin and A. OA is equal to root over x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So equal to root over x square plus y square. This is second formula. You always remember it. You can apply it whenever it is required. These two formula will be used every time. What we are seeing one problem. Points A minus 1y and B 5 7 lie on a circle with center O 2 minus 3y. Find the value of y and then radius also of the circle. This question is of CBSE 2014. See here I have drawn a circle whose center is O and the coordinate of center is 2 minus 3y. And on the periphery, two points are there, A and B, whose coordinates are given here. A is having coordinate minus 1 and y, whereas B's coordinates are 5 and 7. So, you know the radius OA and OB will be equal because both are on the periphery. So, distance from the periphery is radius. OA is equal to OB. We know already from primary knowledge. So OA is equal to distance between 2 points x1 y1 is minus 1y, whereas x2 y2 is 2 and minus 3y. So the same formula you apply here, root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So this is minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus y minus of minus 3y, that is y plus 3y whole square, equal to root over 3 minus 3 whole square plus 16y square, equal to root over 9 plus 16y square. So this is one equation. Similarly for OB, we will find OB is equal to root over 5 minus 2 whole square plus root plus in bracket 7 plus 3y whole square. So OB, if you simplify it, it will come 3 square plus 49 plus 9y square plus 42y. So OB square is equal to 58 plus 9y square plus 42y. OA square is equal to 9 plus 16y square, that you know already. So OA square is equal to OB square. So what we are saying here, 58 plus 9y square plus 42y is equal to 9 plus 16y square. You bring one side all, you will simplify and then find out that 7y square is minus 42y minus 49 is equal to 0. And then you factorize it, you will see 7 and 49, that you can make it 7y square minus 49y plus 7y minus 49 is equal to 0. Then 7y you take out common, y minus 7 here, then again 7 you take out, then y minus 7, and in total you take out y minus 7. What will happen? Y minus 7 into 7y plus 7 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 7 or minus 1. Two values we have got. So center will be either 2 minus 21 or 2 and 3. So radius is what? Root over 9 plus 16y square. So 9 plus 16 into 49 if y is equal to 7. So it will give you 28.1 unit. And if y is equal to minus 1, then OA is equal to 5 units. This is the answer. What you saw here, you have to have the fundamental knowledge of coordinates. And with that basic knowledge, you can find out the relationship for getting distance between the 2 points, either on radius or whatever is defined here in the geometrical space. We can find the whatever is asked, we can find out. There is no problem. But fundamental knowledge is very much important. So thank you.